don't mind the pool pump. But today, I was having my ridgid out, and I thought of a great idea. I thought of a ridgid leaf blower. See? You just stick the bigger wand, because this is the normal size wands. This is the normal size. And then I got one of these bigger wands. Oh crap, crap. It's really windy today, so. But I came up with an idea that just to shove this in there and then just turn it on. Like, turn it on. And then you can just leaf blow like this. That's kind of neat. I'm probably going to upload this video on YouTube in 2 seconds, so. And please comment and subscribe and tell me how you like that idea of a ridgid leaf blower. See? Now, normally you use this. But now, as a leaf blower, with just your hand, and then just. I thought that was kind of interesting. I just thought that up in my mind. I was like, well, I got other shot back, so might as well try this. So I tried it and it works really well, actually. Well, see you later, YouTube. This is the end of this video. Please comment and subscribe.